Alright, so the AQUAMOUSE, it runs based on the weather. Right now, it's wind above a certain amount of knots, they're not going to run it. But you can see the whole idea here is behind me is this whole tube right here, running up here. That is actually where you run through and there's spouts of water spouting at you, he said. And there's also the screens in there. But then when you look around the other side, the whole other side, so that thing goes all the way around. If you can see, it's right here. Right all the way around. And then on that side, it's open. So that's why it's a weather advisory right now, because it's open on that side and this side. So very cool. So we'll come back later.